The future of finance has arrived. Algorand Future Finance. This billboard was right in Miami, Florida this past weekend. Absolutely. Algorand is on fire because it's welcome to the future of finance, and I've got some content to share with you today. My name is Adam Shelton, and so thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel because this is the place to be to grow your bank account and, grow your brand as well. Let's go ahead and dive into this content. Yes, I am excited. Algorand right now is 93 cents and is down 2%, but that does not tell us the story of what this project is going to do in the future. Yes, it's 93 cents. You can get it on Coinbase. I do have the information in the description box. But we're going to be talking about Algorand, the future of finance, and information that's coming out. Now, Mayor Francis said it was a successful weekend in Miami. Check this out, Steven. This is the CEO of Algorand. Steven, absolutely. Nice to meet you, buddy. But anyway, successful weekend in Miami. Largest Bitcoin conference ever. Let me see if I can get this bigger. Look at this. Largest Bitcoin conference ever. Mayor's office hosted an exclusive virtual pre-BTC conference. eToro sets up Miami headquarters. Think about that. eToro sets up a Miami headquarters. Blockchain.com sets up a Miami headquarters. Borderless Capital sets Miami headquarters and 400 million fund. And here's the thing. Algorand and BC 25 million Miami fund. The connection with Algorand in Miami, it sounds really, really good to me, and more to come. That was a good move by Miami of hosting this and allowing this to happen. And Algorand was there. They were at the party. They were there. But anyway, here's more information that came from Algorand. I'm excited to work with Borderless.Miami to make Miami the epicenter for digital capital markets in our pursuit of becoming the capital of the capital. Mayor Francis. Absolutely. Even though Algorand is based off of in Boston, they are building connections and relationships in Miami, and I love it because I'm only a couple hours from Miami. But it's not about me, it's about you, and it's about the future, the epicenter in Miami, and this is really good for all crypto and in this actually marketplace as well. So that's really good. That's a good win. And also, the Algorand Wallet latest release includes analytics. It's good to have stats and data. It's good to have that. Feature new built-in graph to analyze performance as well as real-time reward calculations. You actually can download the free app today. I'll have this link in the description box. You can go ahead and download this. It looks like this. It looks pretty cool. New analytics, new data, new information. So this just came out really not that long ago. Well, I have the link in the description. Go ahead and check this out. It's really, really cool to use as well. So that's more news coming out. And then check this out. Today, on June 8th, June 9th, there's going to be a Crypto Connection 2021. Algorand CEO will be participating in a panel discussing on DeFi and more information along the panel. So you want to check this out as well. It's on Eventbrite. So when I click on there, it gets me right to the next site of Eventbrite. So you can go ahead and get your tickets and you can sign up and be connected with more information that's coming from Algorand. So that's really good news as well. Now, when I was talking about this earlier, I saw this sign, the future of finance has arrived in Algorand, and this was a good move, great marketing. When you're driving down the highway in Miami, Florida, the epicenter, they want to be the epicenter. Miami wants this. You see this billboard. Now, check this out. One person said, can we get some of that billboard love in Boston? It makes sense because they are based in Boston, but then they're building a connection in Miami. So Algorand, a lot of good news coming out. Now, I know I talked about the price, and I kind of, I didn't really talk too much about a price prediction. Algorand, man, price prediction of this, with all the stuff that's coming out here, this is in the bull run, in an actually bull run. Let me go ahead and look at the all-time high again. I just want to see it. I just want to see it for you. All-time high is $3.28. Now, with all the partnerships that's coming out, with all the information that's coming out with, obviously with the Algorand Wallet analytics, and then also with, more conversation about institutional adoption. And then you were talking about the largest Bitcoin conference in Algorand and BC 25 million Miami Fund. And then you also have, the borderless.Miami, the epicenter of digital capital marketing or markets in Miami. And there's more and more information future of finance. So go back to the price. I'm sitting here like, man, this thing could be $15, man. I know I'm bullish on Algorand. I know the all-time high is $3. The more and more I think about this thing, man, this is $10 to $15. I mean, I know I'm bullish on this, but this is $10 to $15, maybe even more. Because of all the positive news that's coming out, the future of finance, these institutions are going to really need this, just because Algorand is going to be the center of connecting these things together, all the technology, the future of finance, and they're based off in Boston, so they have a really good base in Boston, and they building relationships right in Miami. I know I'm excited about it. I do like Algorand along with several other projects, but I like what they're doing, and I like the fact they also they're not just settling, they're expanding. They're expanding as well. If you look at their Twitter page, they got over 107,000 followers based off in Boston as well. So Algorand, if you want to get Algorand, check out the markets. They are on Coinbase. It's on Coinbase. That's probably, to me, the best, best way of getting it. Obviously on Binance. I do have a link in the description to get Coinbase, to get Algorand on Coinbase. I suggest you do it because this is opportunity knocking right now. 93 cents for this right now? Oh my goodness. With a good max supply of 10 billion or less, and this is 93 cents? With all the partnerships and all the institutions and all the technology and the team of actually really smart people that's connecting all this together, this is going to be an unbelievable. I still think this is a hidden gem in my opinion. So that's a little bit of Algorand news. I got a little excited because I saw this billboard and I want to deliver the information to you. Don't forget to check out the Algorand app as well. I have it in the description box. It's going to be really, really cool. So check that out. And I'll see you on the next video. Don't forget, guys. Don't forget. Don't forget. Always do your research. I'm not a financial advisor, but I like to delivering things to you, for you can consider adding this to your portfolio. I'll see you on the next video.